Welcome to RemedialOne YouTube channel. This is where we help students to prepare for WASSCE exams. In this video, I'm going to establish relationship between permutation and combination. Permutation has to do with arrangement of items in which the order is important, whereas combination is about selection of items, and here the order is not important. So permutation is defined as n permutation R. That is, we have n objects, we have n items, and we are arranging them, taking up at a time. And then combination is, the formula for combination is, you have n items and then you are selecting R. So permutation and permutation R is defined as n factorial over n minus R all factorial. Then n combination R is also defined as n factorial over n minus R factorial R factorial. Now we have to simplify n permutation R divided by n combination R. So n permutation R divided by n combination R becomes n permutation n factorial over n minus R factorial divided by n factorial over n minus R factorial, then R factorial. We have two fractions and we are dividing, so we flip the second fraction, n over n minus R factorial, then times, we flip this one, so the denominator becomes the numerator. So n minus R all factorial R factorial over n factorial. Yeah, this is n factorial. This will cancel that. This one will cancel that. So you have R factorial. So that is the simplification of this expression. Therefore, the relationship between the two, n permutation R over n combination R, is equal to R factorial, and n combination R over n permutation R will be equal to 1 over R factorial. So let's see how we apply these ones in other problems. So next we have, if n permutation R over n combination R minus 1 is equal to 5, find the value of R. So first let's rewrite this one. So n permutation R over n combination R is equal to, we can send 1 to 5 plus 1. Now from the relationship that we established, n permutation R over n combination R, when you simplify, you are going to get R factorial, which is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. So how do you find R? We know that 3 factorial is equal to 6. So therefore, R will be equal to 3. Let's look at the next one. We have to simplify 5n combination 2 over 5n permutation 2. So all that you are looking at is this must be equal to that, and then this must be equal to this. So if this is the case, 5n combination 2 over 5n permutation 2, this is the same as 1 over 2 factorial. You can go back and see the last example. We established that combination over permutation will give us the item that we are taking to select or arrange. So, and 2 factorial is the same as 2 times 1. And this is equal to 1 on 2. Let's go to the next question. This is the next question. Okay. If 6 times n combination 7 combination n is equal to 7 permutation n, we have to find the value of n. So we have 6 times 6, 7 combination n is equal to 7 permutation. First of all, we can divide both sides by 7 combination n. So here over 7 combination n, 7 combination n. So this will cancel that. So you have 6 is equal to, pair the relationship that we established, 7, 7, n, n. Then we are going to have, this is n factorial, when the permutation is dividing the combination. Once again, but 3 factorial is equal to 6. So therefore, n is equal to 3. And before I continue, check this one. I want you to pause the video and then try this. Okay, let's see how the solution will go. So we still use the relationship between permutation and combination. So this is the same as 20 permutation 5 over 20 combination 5. This according to the relationship 20, 20, 5, 5. So we are going to have 5 factorial. And then 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So when you multiply, you get 120. Remember, you can also use the calculator to compute this one straightforward. If you have the calculator, go to where you have factorial. When you punch it or you compute it, you still get your answer to be 120. So viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. We just started with permutation. So next time we'll be coming your way with another permutation combination question. Remember, if you have not subscribed, please kindly click on the subscribe button. Bye bye.